Zero Chat is a chatbot built on the VedaX AI platform, utilizing machine learning and natural language processing algorithms to interact naturally with humans, helping to answer questions or fulfill customer requests. Some highlights of Zero Chat include utilizing the most advanced AI technology, fast response time under 1 second, personalized experiences, and allowing multi-channel integration. Zero Chat can be used as a powerful virtual assistant in various fields and industries such as finance, retail, healthcare, education, e-commerce, tourism, etc. Now, we will guide you on how to create a chatbot on Zero Chat quickly and easily. First, visit zerochat.us, click the Join Now button, then select Sign Up. Enter your name, password, and confirm the password, noting that the name only includes alphabet characters, numbers, or underscores. Press Sign Up. Congratulations, you have successfully created an account on Zero Chat. We encourage users to add their recovery email and then set up a PIN code. In cases where users forget or want to change their password, the system will send a verification code to this email or prompt them to enter the PIN code. For new users, we recommend topping up your wallet on the system with a minimum amount of $20, equivalent to the initialization fee for one AI agent or one chatbot. On the left menu of the homepage, select Payments, then click the Recharge button. Choose the amount you want to top up, carefully read our terms of service, and press OK. The system will guide you through the next steps. The Payments section allows you to view your wallet balance, top-up history, as well as the history of interfaces you've performed on the system. Each AI agent corresponds to a chatbot operating according to settings. Click the Create Agent button, name your agent, and save it. The system will automatically deduct the $20 fee from your wallet while giving you 1,000 queries as a bonus. Queries are essential for setting up AI agents and chatbot operations. Afterward, you can see the agent created on the homepage with accompanying information. Double-click the agent name or click this icon to open the agent setup page. The agent setup window has three main sections: Service Info, Setup Tools, and Chat History. Let's start with the RAG tool in the Config section. RAG is where you set up the knowledge base for the chatbot to respond to user questions or requests. The special feature of RAG, Zero Chat, is that it divides knowledge into individual records or lines, making data processing, searching, and updating faster and more accurate than conventional RAG types. In RAG, there can be one or several collections, each collection being knowledge about a specific topic. Create a new collection by clicking the icon. Set a code and name for the collection, and other elements in the config section can be considered later, then press Save. Next, start entering knowledge records into the collection by clicking this icon. There are two ways to enter data. Method 1. Click the icon. Set a code. Note that this code should not be duplicated between data records. The system uses this code for reference in case users update data in the group or text section. Enter a group name. It helps the agent classify information by topic or specific aspect of the object. Multiple groups with the same name can be created. Enter text including related information for the topic or aspect identified in the group. The recommended character number for each text line is under 4,000. You can add public links of images, videos, or documents here. The Select Files feature can only be used with Pro accounts or higher. Finally, press Save. Continue adding each record to the collection. Method 2, used when there are many records to be created. Click the Import icon, select Download Template. The system will download an Excel template. Similar to the above method, you enter each record with code, group, and text into a row in the Excel file. Then, return to this section and click the Choose File button to upload the filled Excel file. The system will open a process before import window. Here, you can edit or delete data rows using the icons on the right side. Additionally, for groups with text exceeding 4,000 characters, you can select the compressed text icon on the right side, and press OK for the system to automatically summarize the data for brevity. You can also choose the compressed text button at the top to automatically summarize all data in the text section. After editing the data, press Import to push the data to the collection in RAG, then, the system will automatically display the corresponding code, group, and text. You have finished entering the knowledge into this collection. Press the X icon to save and exit. Additionally, you can set up some suggestions for customers using the chatbot. These are common questions or requests, displayed to help customers choose quickly. These suggestions may appear as soon as the customer starts chatting or when typing matches one or more words of the suggestion. In the instructions section, you can set up some modifiers to guide the chatbot's responses, such as, include citations. Each record in the RAG collection is assigned a reference code by the system. If this feature is enabled, the chatbot will include the corresponding reference code in its response, allowing users to click on it to view detailed information about that record. Briefly answer requires the chatbot to provide a concise and essential answer. Only use information in RAG requires the chatbot to respond based only on information available in RAG. Owner information sets the identity of the chatbot owner. Custom allows for other personalized settings. Note: multiple modifiers can be used simultaneously. You can set up introductory messages or pinned messages at the beginning of the conversation with the chatbot. After making your selection, press OK. Then click on the arrow icon on the right to set up the messages. This message section is written in HTML format, allowing for settings similar to those in Word. You can choose the security mode of the chatbot, public. Anyone has the right to access and chat with the chatbot. This is the default mode, private. Only users on the list have the right to access and chat with the chatbot. Embedding. Set up the addresses of the websites where the chatbot is allowed to be embedded. Pre-information. This setting is only for anonymous users, users not on the user list, chatting with the chatbot. You can request these users to provide a display name, email, or phone number to start the conversation. You can also set up a message for these users and then press save. Therefore, when starting a conversation, the system will prompt anonymous users to provide the specified information. In subsequent conversations, if these users continue to use the same browser to access the chatbot, the system will record the information provided previously without requesting it again. The Users section is where you manage the list of users who have access rights to the chatbot in private security mode. In the user list, your account is designated as the owner of this agent. To add an account to the list, click on the plus icon, enter the desired user account, and press OK. This action adds the account to the list. You can also change the role of each account in the list. Admins have the right to perform and change settings in the agent, while users only have access rights to chat with the chatbot without being able to perform settings for the agent. Security Groups section allows assigning accounts to groups with access rights to data in different collections with corresponding access groups in RAG. You can enter a number in this field. For example, if you enter the number 1, this account will be able to access the data available in the collections within RAG that have the access group set to 1. Please set the access group for each collection in RAG. If you do not set this item, all users will have access to the data in that collection. Note that each account belongs to only one security group, but multiple accounts can belong to the same security group. After setting up the AI agent, you can start using the chatbot by accessing the chat URL in the config section or sending this address to customers. Additionally, you can embed the chatbot into your website, application, etc., using the Embedded APIs tool. You can customize the interface, icon, and other elements if desired. As mentioned, to set up the AI agent and make the chatbot operational, you need queries. You can learn more about queries and how they are calculated in the query explanation section, as well as view the detailed query history of this chatbot in the query history section. The remaining query count will be displayed in the request section. If you run out, click the Purchase Queries button, follow the instructions to purchase more. With an owner or admin account, you can manage the entire conversation history with the chatbot in threads. The system stores all conversation content of the same person, non-anonymous, in one flow, with the start date indicating the time that person started chatting with the chatbot for the first time. If you do not use the pre-information features in the security section, the system will display anonymous conversation participants, anonymous user, with symbols, but all conversation content will still be recorded. Click on the envelope icon on the right to view the desired conversation content. To delete conversation information, click on the delete icon on the right and select delete. We have introduced how to create, use, and manage a chatbot on Zero Chat easily and quickly. If you need detailed usage instructions, chat with our virtual assistant. Note that with a free account, the number of queries per minute and the number of records in RAG are limited, and you cannot use the file management feature. Consider upgrading to a suitable account package to enhance the effectiveness of your chatbot operation, meet your business needs, and provide an optimal experience for your customers. Contact us at contact@vedax.ai. We are always ready to advise and support all your business needs.